Download the file from the website. The download link is available in the description box below the video. Next, go to the Windows search box and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on the option when it appears. A new window will open. From the list, check the required feature as shown in the video, then click OK. Windows will now apply the changes. This process may take a few minutes, so please wait until it is finished. After the process is complete, open the Bijoy Bayanno folder. Run the setup file and install the application by following the on-screen instructions, exactly as shown in the video. Once the installation is finished, follow the steps shown in the video to activate the application properly. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.